have something to utilize to keep the government from being tyrannical. All levels of government are held accountable by this one law. It's 18 U.S. Code 18-242. It's deprivation of rights under color of law. If you have had your rights violated by the police, the judges, anybody that's in the capacity of a government official, you may have a lawsuit on your hands. Not only a lawsuit, but they may have charges pending against them. So 18-242. Deprivation of rights under color of law. Whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district of the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or to be different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien or reason of color, race, there are prescribed for the punishment of citizens, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year, or both, and if bodily injury results from the acts of said person committing in violation of this section, or in such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon. Cops, keep your guns in your holsters. Explosives or fire shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years, or both. And if death results, from the acts of committed in violation of this section, or in such acts include kidnapping or attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term or years for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. I don't know about you, but the FBI crime database proves that cops kill on average 1,000 people a year by their own hands, not by judge, jury, executioner. Cops like to shoot people when they run. Cops like to shoot people when they get scared. It's a known fact. There are statistics that go all the way back to the year 2000 when the FBI crime database started including death by police officer of any which kind of way. Doesn't matter if they got you in a high-speed chase and they pit you and you roll over and you die. You've been killed by the cops. All different kinds. They shoot you in the capacity of their job because they were fearing for their lives. That's in there too. And we're not just talking on average 30 to 40-year-old men. We're talking babies, months old. Don't trust your government as much as you do. There's a law that protects us from the government. They don't want you to know that. So again, remember 18-242 of the U.S. Code. Deprivation of rights under color of law. Keep that one law in your pocket. It may actually save your ass someday. On that note, I have to get ready to go to my other job, but keep in mind, you know, it is the government against us. And it's our job to keep them in check. So, happy day to you all. Until next time.